Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add photos to album in OneDrive on computer. So how to add photos to album in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To add photos, first go to the album menu, move the cursor to the left of the screen. Here are many menu options. Tap the Photos menu. Here it will appear like this. Tap the Albums menu here. Here the Albums menu display. Enter the album to which the photos will be added. Well, here it is already in my album. To add photos, tap the Add to Album menu. Well, it will appear like this. Tap the photo to be added to your album. After finishing, tap Update Album below the right of this screen display. Well, you can see here I have finished adding photos to my album. So that's it, tutorial how to add photos to album in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.